Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be solving function of a function, and then from my workbook I'm solving question number 69. Okay, question number 69 said solution. Okay, it said that if f of x is equal to this and then g of x is equal to this, then we should find f of g of 2. Okay, now this is the easiest math you should even solve first. Okay, what do? Just start from the first one, g of 2. Now g of 2 simply means go to the side of g, anywhere you see x there put 2. So this is equal to what? 2 raised to power 2 then plus 3, which will give you what? 4 plus 3, which is what? 7. I have done g of 2. We move, the next one close to g is f. So it will now be f of the last answer here, which is f of 7. F of 7 simply means go to the side of f, anywhere you see x, put 7. That is 2 in bracket of 7, then plus 1, which is what? 14 plus 1, which is 15. We go again. The next one again is g of this last, f of this last answer. So f of 15. We go to the side of f again. Anywhere you see x, put 15. That is 2 in bracket of 15, then plus 1, which is what? 30 plus 1, which is 31. We go again, the last one now, f. So f of the last answer, which is f of 31. We go to the side of f again, 2 in bracket of 31, then plus 1, which is what? 62 plus 1, which is what? 63. Okay? So you count if it is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to solve 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. So that is that. We solve the next question. I hope this is very easy to solve. So my last answer is just 63. So the last answer is 63, and that is the answer to that question. So we'll go to the next question. That is question number 94. Okay, question number 94. So question number 94 said, if f of x is equal to 3x plus 12, comma, then g of x is equal to x plus 6, comma, h of x is equal to x plus 1. Then I say, then we should find 94. Then we should find h of f of g of g of 0. Okay, is now again, very simple. So solution, what do? We start from the one that is close to 0. So first of all, g of 0. G of 0 simply means go to the side of g and put 0. So 0 plus 6, which is equal to 6. The next one is f. So we say f of that last answer, f of 6. And f of 6, go to the side of f, you say 3 in bracket of 6, then plus 12. Anywhere we see x, we substitute whatever we are having inside the bracket. So which is what? 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 12 will give us 30. So the next one is what? F again. So f of 30, which is what? 3 into 30, then plus that 12, which is what? This is 90 plus 12, which is what? 102. The next one is h. So h of 102, which is what? Go to the side of h, which is what? 102 plus 1, which is what? 103. Another one h again. H of 103, which is what? 103 plus 1, which is what? 104. Then finally, h of 104, which is what? 104 plus 1, which is 105. So the answer to this is simply what? 105. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like our video, comment, and subscribe. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye-bye. This is simple.